Is YouTube allowing monetization for TTS channels? Many YouTubers often wonder, can YouTube monetize text-to-speech channels? I encountered the same question, but despite searching through numerous videos, I couldn't find a satisfactory solution. Since YouTube is owned by Google, I decided to turn to Google Bard for assistance. Here's the response I received. Yes, YouTube allows monetization for TTS channels, but there are some restrictions. According to YouTube's monetization policies, all channels must meet the following criteria in order to be eligible for monetization. The channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. The channel's content must meet YouTube's community guidelines and advertiser-friendly content policies. The channel's TTS videos must be original and creative, and they must provide value to viewers. If a TTS channel meets all of these criteria, it can be monetized through AdSense, sponsorships, or other means of revenue generation. Here are some tips for creating TTS videos that are likely to be approved for monetization. Use a high-quality AI voice that sounds natural and engaging. Add visuals to your videos, such as images, graphics, or animations. Edit your videos to make them engaging and informative. Promote your videos on social media and other platforms. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of having your TTS channel approved for monetization. Here are some additional things to keep in mind when creating TTS videos. Avoid using text that is copyrighted or trademarked. Do not use TTS videos to promote harmful or misleading content. Be respectful of all viewers, regardless of their age, race, gender, or sexual orientation. By following these guidelines, you can help to ensure that your TTS videos are enjoyable and informative for all viewers. In conclusion, YouTube does allow monetization for TTS channels.